message is a broadcast from the Federal Republic of Germany. Please pay attention once again. This urgent message is a broadcast from the Federal Republic of Germany. Please pay attention. Regrettably, civil unrest has erupted in the cities of München, Regensburg, Nuremberg, and Augsburg, marked by alarming cannibalistic raids of unknown origin. Our military is actively addressing the situation, with riot police compelled to withdraw due to the police stations getting overrun by the cannibals. Surveillance reports indicate stark gering 500,000 people involved in these disturbing events and are potential cultist or extremist group is suspected as the catalyst. Residents in the affected cities are urged to remain calm, ensure your safety by securing homes, lock doors, close windows and draw curtains and prepare for potential emergencies. Your attention is appreciated. Thank you. This message is a crucial broadcast from the Federal Republic of Germany. Again, this message is a crucial broadcast from the Federal Republic of Germany. Upon extensive investigation, it has been determined that the cannibalistic riots were not triggered by an extremist group or cult. Instead, a supernatural parasite, eluding scientific understandings, is the culprit. Once infected, the parasite rapidly spreads through the body, exerting full control. The infected act as vessels, attempting to spread the parasite by biting others in vulnerable areas like limbs or the neck. Early symptoms include nausea, muscle twitching, and cognitive decline. Ultimately, all 5 senses are lost, leading to complete takeover by the parasite within a 24-hour period or less. Infection can occur through drinking contaminated water or prolonged exposure. However, if bitten by an infected individual, transmission takes less than 30 minutes. The 500,000 infections from last week were linked to contaminated water pipelines interconnecting München, Regensburg, Nuremberg, and Augsburg. Understanding the gravity of the situation, our top scientists are dedicated to finding a cure. The military is actively containing the infected to ensure your safety. Thank you for your attention. Further updates will be promptly communicated as we receive them. This urgent message is conveyed by the authorities of the Republic of Poland to inform and prepare our citizens for the escalating crisis. We regret to report that the supernatural parasite, responsible for the dire situation in Germany, has now infiltrated our borders, posing a serious threat to the safety and well-being of our citizens. Germany, unable to contain the spread, has collapsed under the weight of the infected. The border regions between our nations are particularly vulnerable. The infected are spreading within our country, and the situation demands our immediate attention and cooperation. Disturbingly, the threat has extended to other nations. Reports indicate that Denmark, Italy, and France are now grappling with the same crisis. Our fellow NATO allies are out helping us to confront this unprecedented threat. Our collective actions will determine our ability to overcome this crisis. Our scientific community is working tirelessly to understand the parasite and develop a cure. Progress is underway, but we must remain vigilant. Our military is actively engaged in controlling the infected and safeguarding our citizens. It is crucial that we adhere to prescribed safety measures. We implore every citizen to stay informed, follow safety guidelines, and cooperate with authorities. Your vigilance is paramount in these challenging times. Poland has faced adversities before, and together, we will overcome this threat, stay strong, support one another, and remain resilient. Thank you for your attention. Regular updates will be provided as the situation develops. Together, we shall prevail.
Survivors of the infected. In light of the collapse of European governments due to the ongoing infection crisis, the new Commonwealth of the Rhineland extends an invitation to join our newly established order. We have successfully fortified and secured the cities of Keulen, Düsseldorf, and Bonn, creating safe havens free from the infected. To become a citizen, make your way to one of these fortified cities. And when entering you will receive essential provisions such as food, water, and shelter, along with a signet role based on individual skills, education, and intelligence levels. Our message will be broadcasted 24/7 in French, Spanish, German, Swedish, Polish, Dutch, and Russian to reach as many survivors as possible. We appreciate your attention and encourage you to join us in rebuilding a semblance of order in the remnants of Europe. Thank you for your time, and long live the Rhineland.